Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see a small Excel project meant for restaurant billing. This is a complete project for a restaurant billing. Let's see. We have the name of the hotel, bill number, items, rate, quantity, amount, and quantity here. You can choose quantity here. This blank is for choosing any other quantity other than these. So we have 8 items on the menu. You can choose any of these. Then when you tender cash, click on this. And when everything is ready, click on enter to complete the transaction. The details will go into the sales sheet. We have a summary sheet where we can see the total sales of each item in the restaurant. And this happens to be the price list, items and their prices. So the items given here are reflected in the first page here in the templates. So if you make any changes here, whether you may change the name of the item or the rate, those changes will get reflected here. For example, this is item number 3. I will change this item. Item number 3, I will change this item. Let's see. These items which I have given here happen to be the delicacies in the city of Hyderabad, South India. See, I have changed this item number 3. The moment the change is not yet reflected. See, the third item is this one. It is not yet reflected. The moment I hit this clear button, this gets changed. See, this gets changed. And let's suppose I have changed the value also. Let's suppose 299. If I click on this, I'll get 299 here. And the cursor goes and stands in the quantity column 2. Then what else? This one. Then this one, I need a bigger quantity. So I will click on this blank and I will say 10. I got it. Then I'll choose this one item, this one item. Total is this much. Cash, I'm tendering cash here. The moment I click, the cursor goes there. I'll blindly type the amount. The bank change to be given to the customer is this much. This is bill number 1, since there is no other items here in this sheet. I'll click on enter. So the moment I clicked on enter, the bill number 2 is ready now. Bill number 1 is transferred. The details are transferred to the next sheet called sales. See, all the items are transferred here. This is bill number 1. So here we are filling details for the bill number 2. So I'll take this one, 2 numbers, this one, 2 numbers, then this one number, and this one 3 numbers. Cash. I'll say enter. This is the second invoice. Third invoice is ready to be printed. So we have seen how when you change the price list, the item or the rate, both the changes are taken care of here in the first page. So instead of saying, shall we change something? We'll say, we'll change this name to fry. We'll keep the amount same. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth item is changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. This item should get changed the moment I click on this. See, this has changed. 350. 4. Then we have this one, 2, this one, 2, and finally this one. See, this is how the billing for a restaurant is made easy. Hit on this, hit on the quantity, hit on the item like this, and hit on the quantity. Enough. Hit on the item, hit on the quantity. Then hit on cash, put the amount taken from the customer. When the transaction is complete, click on enter to transfer the details to the next page. This is how it is done. So already we have seen 4 invoices. Then the next invoice ready for print is should be 5. See, it's 5 here. So this is how it works. Let's see how it is made. I have not used a user form here. I have used the Excel sheet itself for gathering the data. You can watch my other videos where I have used a user form for such a purpose. So let's see how this is made. So basically this clear is to clear this column where you find from here to here, this column. It's to clear the items. And what else? M18. M18 is this is M18, where you may give the tendered amount is shown there. So then we say call macro 1. Macro 1 is important here. Let's see what macro 1 is. This is macro 1. Macro 1, what does it do? The moment, as we have seen, the moment we made some change here, either in the item, description of the item, or the rate or price of the item, that change should get reflected here. That happens only because of this macro 1. What does it do? Active, sheet, shapes, range, array, button 7. This happens to be button 7. This is button 7. See, button 7. So we'll come to that later, but let's go to this. What does it do? Okay, we are in macro 1. Macro, it takes its value from rates range A2. Rates range A2. It takes its value from here. And so the moment you make changes to these items, the moment you make changes to these items, I have made changes to the fourth item. This I have again changed it. See, this is curry now. So the moment you make changes, and this will help you. This will help you to get the figure, get the description as it is, get the amount as it is. Get the description only. We'll get the amount with VLOOKUP. So what does this do? The moment there are unnecessary things also here which you need not worry about. So what does it do? Basically, it supplies information to 3 places. Column 2, column 7, and column 8. Column 2, what does it do? It has a inherent value which is nothing but A2. Value as given in rates sheet range A2. That value is given here. That value is reflected here. That value is transferred here in second column. And what else does it do? It will jump to seventh column. That means it will go here, and there it with the help of VLOOKUP, it brings the price of that particular product from second column. You see, from second column, from this table. Okay. After getting the rate or price of that particular product in column 7, it moves to column 8 and stays there. See, if I select this, in the second column, it has transferred the name of this item. In seventh column, it has transferred with the help of VLOOKUP the rate, and it goes and stands in the 8th column where we are supposed to give our quantity. I'll say this, and this is nothing but multiplication of these two. So this is how it is made, friends. If you like this program, kindly click on like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.